This is easiest method to get death from above achievement in Hell Let Loose. Join a server. I chose low populated server. Make sure there is artillery available. Get in the truck. Choose any landmark in your map, like near a house or certain tree line or whatever you want. Drive it somewhere you're going to remember. You need to be in artillery range. Check your map. Park it. I left it here, east side of the cattle shed's objective, near shed. Exit server. Join a server. Do it as many times as needed. Same server but this time on the other side. Okay. This is it. Now it's time to do some arty. Choose squad leader or commander. Adjust your elevation. Ping map location where your truck is. Mine is in east side of the shed. You still remember your truck location, right? Shoot some shells. And, pling. It's a hit, destroyed vehicle and a trophy. If this video helped you, please leave a like.